Welcome to Kiwi's Cooking Crew. My name is Kiwi. This is my YouTube channel. And of course, if you like this channel, please make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, tell all your friends so that we can spread the love of cooking all across the world, okay? So, just make sure that you tune in every week for different recipes, and make sure that you comment below and make sure that you share. So just stay tuned for this next recipe and just let me know what you think, okay?
Today, what I'm making for you all is some celery chicken, baked chicken here. So now I have my cream of celery. I'm gonna just pour that in that mixing bowl, and I'm gonna just mix that chicken up really good. And just make sure that you have all of your chicken evenly coated there. And once you do have that coated, we're gonna go ahead with our seasoning with that original chicken seasoning from McCormick. We're gonna add some salt to that. After we add our salt, we got some oregano leaves, dried oregano of course. And then we're gonna add our chicken bouillon seasoning to it. Next, we're gonna go ahead and get our smoked paprika. That's gonna give us some added color to it. And then next we do have our black pepper, and we're gonna add some Italian seasoning to that too. This is gonna be so flavorful. So you see that garlic powder, we're gonna add some garlic powder in there. And then we're gonna add a little cayenne pepper just for a little kick, small kick there. And then we're gonna add some lemon pepper for that acidity. And it's gonna be really good. And so we're gonna just make sure that we mix that up really good. A nice little good mix for an even seasoning. And then now we're gonna move on to putting our chicken in that pan. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. And make sure that you don't crowd it, but you do want to make sure that you do have enough chicken in that pan, depending on how little or how many people that you're feeding. So let's go ahead and get that done. And then next we're gonna move on to actually seasoning that chicken. And add that seasoning to it. You can add as much or as little as you like because there's not a lot of salt in it. So you definitely want to add in that flavor. And you're going to flip that chicken over and you're going to do the same thing to the other side. I got that chicken all good and covered up with that seasoning. We're gonna go ahead and add some butter, which makes everything better. And once we get that butter in there, we're gonna go ahead and cover it up. And we're gonna put that in the oven for about 45 minutes. And here's our finished product that looks so good and so flavorful. So, if you like this channel, please make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, tell all of your friends, and until next time, bye!